everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the month of March. So today is the first day of March 2022, and to commemorate this year's International Women's Day, Born Pretty will be doing sales from the 1st of March till the 12th of March, and I'll be uploading videos every day for the next 12 days. So guys, watch out for the beautiful set I'll be creating. So today I'll be creating this beautiful set. Is an acrylic set, and I'll be using my gel polish products from Born Pretty to create a beautiful set. Kindly watch till the end and let me know your thoughts about this set. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So I'm applying a pink, like natural pink acrylic powder to natural nails. I've prepped the nails before I started applying the acrylic powder. I've added the dehydrator and also the primer. So I'm just applying the acrylic powder right now. I'm trying as much as possible not to have excess acrylic on the nails so that it does not flood the cuticle area and the side walls. So because I'm applying the acrylic on the natural nails, I am making sure that the acrylic powder, I'm picking the acrylic bead that is just enough for me to work on natural nails, and I don't want the shape that I have filed to change, so I'm just working with the shape of the of natural nails. I'll be using bright and beautiful gel polish colors I got from Born Pretty, and since they have sales going on from today the 1st of March till the 12th of March, I would like you to take advantage of this and shop for some beautiful colors and quality products that they have on their website. I'll be leaving my link in the description box. Kindly click on the link to purchase items from their website. Also remember that Born Pretty ship free worldwide, so kindly take advantage of these sales and buy as many items as you want. And I'll also be leaving my coupon code in the description box and on the screen, and that is Glitterspolish. So let's get back to the nails. So when I was trying to do this thumb, I was having a little bit of difficulty because the acrylic was a little bit dry before I placed it. Like I drained the excess liquid, the excess acrylic monomer too much before I started spreading it. So I was having a little bit of difficulty doing that thumb, but being the professional I am, let me praise myself, I was able to work with the bead. So if you are a beginner, you might actually want to make sure that the acrylic bead you are picking is not too dry and it's also not too watery. So now I'm starting my design, and I'm using Born Pretty gel polish base coat. I'm going to apply it on the fingers and cure it for 60 seconds before I start applying the gel polish color. So my client actually wants orange, so I'll be applying orange gel polish on the thumb, the index finger, and the middle finger, and I'm going to be doing the little pattern on the remaining two fingers. So kindly watch till the end. Like this video, leave a comment, and let me know your thoughts about this nail in the comment section, and I'll talk to you guys again in my next video. Enjoy this cover song by Christy Ini. Bye guys, and stay blessed.
They call me. Him no know wetin I do, we make am not over me. Fine girls and plenty, but he leave them man, he chose me. Him say I see be no other girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you gonna. Hey, you my true lover. Whether winter or summer. Baby, me no go freak out. I know you like Nkechi Jollof. I know you like my beans, You like my beans. I know that she giving you fufu. You put them for my soup. Baby, what you gonna do? Yeah. Listen, no time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Forget your jumbum. No time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Oh yeah, now tumbum. No time for tumbum. Tig bag. All because of Ileke. Share your baby know where you day so. Johnny leave me follow Cynthia, and I don't know what to do. And he talk say I no do like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle. He talk say he want marry nene. Walk him kedi feneme. Johnny Mo, baby you go love him, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby you go hug him, your love is sweet like baby I go love you, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby I go hug you, your love is sweet like. Listen, allele, start the tangele, tupa, come on. I love you, no be mouth eh. Love no be for mouth no be mouth eh. I dey hear the sound of a tambourine, no. Talking drum and shakere combination. I'm taking. Oh no, I'm taking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh. I'm looking for my journey. Maka say tumbum, where is my journey? Hey, wombo lombo. Share your baby know where you day so. See baby, come on, see baby, all because of. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh,
Wavy. Oh na na, it's more sticks on the beat, yeah. Oh na na, say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now, yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it's coming. Time is of the essence. Yeah. I try to teach you, but I might need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't.